G'day guys, it's Josh here from Airbag Man. Today we're at Airbag Man HQ and we're about to do an install. We're really excited about this one as we're about to install for the first time our Firestone wireless app control system. The beauty of this is that it can be paired with any existing Airbag Man air suspension system and controlled right from an app on your phone. It means no need for gauges or wiring on the inside of the vehicle. You can do 2 load presets for easy return to height and live system diagnostics right at the tip of your finger. The owner of this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Overland is mainly going to be using this for their daily drive. However, at times they will also be loading up the back of the vehicle for their short trips away, and they'll also be towing their jet ski on weekends as well. It's already installed with our high pressure coil assist kit, so let's get into it. Everything you need to install your onboard air system comes in the kit. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure you read through the instructions thoroughly. To access these, simply head to our website, enter and search your part number, download, and away you go. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance to ensure that all safety standards are followed. Our universal air compressor and air tank mounting brackets are not included in the kits. However, they can be purchased separately. The brackets are designed as a multi-fit for chassis and cross members. As per this installation, they can be trimmed to suit the available height and chassis rail and cross member width. Firestone's powerful sealed ECU is the brains of the system. It needs to be installed in a flat, rigid and secure location and ensure enough clearance for all wiring. The wireless app control system comes complete with a plug and play harness to make install easier than ever before. As an added bonus, this eliminates the need for any in-cab wiring. When cutting and trimming our air lines, it is important to get a nice straight cut of the line to ensure secure fitting into our push to connect fittings. We recommend using a sharp Stanley knife or one of our tube cutters, which can be purchased separately. So the guys are finalising the location where they're going to mount the compressor. They found a spot that's high enough up on the vehicle where it's not going to get damaged from anything underneath. This specific kit will use our 12 volt heavy duty compressor. It is important when mounting the air compressor that the air filter is away out of the elements. For this specific build, the compressor was mounted along the chassis rail, so that's why the decision was made to run the air filter up into inside the cab. The Firestone app can be downloaded for both iOS or Android. Simply open the App Store on your smartphone, search Air Command Dual and download. Once you have the app, you'll be able to scan for your installed ECU and start adjusting. A handy feature with the Firestone Air Command app is that you can set 2 preset pressures. You can have a loaded versus your unloaded pressures, and then you can also adjust them manually right on your phone. The app has live monitoring and will notify you should there be any fault codes. Another benefit of the app is live tank pressure reading if the tank is installed. You've got the ability for your onboard air supply, which is handy to be able to blow out the sand or dirt, and also your tyre inflation as well. You've got the adjustability to maintain a safe and level ride for all road and load conditions wirelessly, right from your phone or from the manual inflation valves. It will also maximise your wheel travel, stabilise body roll, reduce your spring sag, and will help with bottoming out. Well guys, that's a wrap. So just to recap, today we've installed the AC3151 kit, which includes our 12 volt Airbag Man compressor, 1 gallon aluminium air tank, and also the Firestone ECU. For more info, you can head to our website, fill out an inquiry or contact our friendly sales team. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to follow us on our socials if you aren't already. As always, bag it with the best.